tip here. We're going to talk about two angles. This is a question that you would find mostly under Excel, but I think it's very similar to the ratio ones, and I think it's good for us to be able to do. And so we're going to go ahead and try one. So I'm giving you one that says an angle has a complementary that is 20 times larger. Find the two angles. All right. So the first thing that we need to acknowledge is there are a few things that you could take a look at. The keyword here would start with there's an angle and there's another angle, right? So in other words, you're dealing with two angles. So you're going to have angle A and let's say angle B. We're going to say that those two are angles that we are going to work with, and we're going to come up with quick formulas for them. Now, it says that an angle has a complementary that is 20 times larger. So in other words, there's one angle that's normal, like whatever that is, and there's another one that is 20 times larger. So now we could use this information and say, okay, that means that I'm going to have one angle, and let's just call this letter the theta letter that we've been using. And the other one has to be 20 times larger than that. So it's going to be 20 times theta, or just 20 theta. Okay, so that's the first section here. Now we need to find one more formula out. And in this formula, we are going to see what can we do with these two angles. So there is a complementary. And so with the complementary, it means that there are two angles and they're going to add up. What are they going to add up to? 90 degrees. So now I'm going to use the color green for this. So I know that 90 degrees is going to be equal to whatever angle A is plus angle B. You guys already know this because that's what a complementary is. Now we just need to plug in all these numbers, right? So we have 90 degrees is equal to angle A, which is that Q letter or theta, or O, whatever you want to call it, plus angle B, which is 20 theta. Now we could do some math here. This will give us actually a very horrible number, but I wanted to give it a shot anyways. So we have 90 degrees is equal to theta plus 20 theta is 21 theta. And then you could use a calculator to figure that out. I'm going to quickly jump around and get the answer right now. So after we divide 21, both sides by 21, you should get 4.28. So on this side, we're going to get 4.28, or yeah, let's just leave it at 4.28. And that is what theta is. So 4.28 degrees is what the theta angle is. Now you're not quite done. You have to plug in the two numbers here. So you're going to plug in for A, it is going to be, well, that one is just going to be 4.28. And for B, we're going to get whatever 20 times 4.28 is. And so the answer should be, let's see if I can do this, 85.6 degrees. And if I kind of calculate that, that should add to about 90 degrees. Because of the decimals, we're not actually coming up with the specific numbers. But that's a way more difficult version of the questions you're given. But that's how you find it. When you are plugging the answers in, just plug in one angle as whatever that first degree is, and the second angle for whatever B is. All right, good luck with those questions.